So this study that the Harris Interactive firm did in 2008 showed that even though 75% of people give to charity, only 5% people leave planned gifts. This shows that people are far more charitably inclined than those that have taken the time to include it in their plans. So what accounts for this discrepancy between gifts made while they're alive and gifts at death? Turns out the death thing may be part of the issue. Russell James is a professor at Texas Tech University. He's done a lot of work around what happens when people consider making charitable gifts. And what he found, not surprisingly, is that there's an avoidance of a conversation about planning because of discomfort confronting mortality. But perhaps also obviously, a built-in exception to that avoidance is when life circumstances cause people to engage in the planning process anyway. So for example, the reasons here, getting older or going on a cruise or another vacation or a change in family circumstances, a birth, a death, or a divorce. All these things mean that people are more willing to engage in that planning process. In other words, once they're in your office, they've already broken through this avoidance defense. In other words, again, by definition, you're in the room where it happens. But that only takes us so far. It turns out a lot also depends on what happens in that process.